Hello and welcome to the brand new video from Key2 Blogging, and in this video I will show you the step-by-step process of installing the Astra theme, and I will show you how you can customize the layout, color, typography in this theme, and I will also show you how you can import different templates to create a professional WordPress website within minutes. And you can also use this theme with popular page builder like BB Builder, or you can create an e-commerce website using WooCommerce plugin, and it is also compatible with LAN, Spectra page builders. So let's check how you can install this theme in your WordPress website. So if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. So let's start the video. Alright guys, I am back in WordPress dashboard, and as you can see I am using the 2023 default WordPress theme. So we are going to use the Astra theme in this website. So to install the Astra theme, we can go to the appearance here, and I will click on theme here, and here I can click on the add new button here. And here you can upload your theme by downloading the theme from this wpastra.com, or you can directly search for this theme here. And as the Astra is a popular theme, it is showing at the top here. So I will just install the Astra theme from here. Okay, theme is now installed. Let me just activate the Astra theme here. Okay, now our theme is activated. Now let's click on the get started button here. Okay, now it will guide you through this process of installing a template in your website. So let's click on build your website now here. Now here I will click on the block editor here. Now you can choose different templates according to your category. So let me just click on the finance category here. And as you can see that there are multiple finance category templates here. So let me just import the first template here. So I will click on here. Now this is how the website looks like, and as you can see that the website is looking quite good, and you can easily import this website with a click of a button. So let's import this website. So I will click on skip and continue. Now here you can choose the color palettes here, and you can choose the font here. So let's click on continue. Now it will ask you to enter your name, email address. So let me just fill this off here. Now let's click on I agree to receive newsletter, or if you don't want that, you can also uncheck that, and make sure to tick mark all the options here. Now let's click on submit and build my website. So it will take some time to import that content to your website, and it will create a stunning WordPress website within minutes. So let's wait for that. Okay, the import is now finished, and let's click on view your website button here. And as you can see that the exact same website is added to your website, and now you can customize this website. So let's do that. So for this I will click on edit page here. Now if this is not looking good, so we need to change the layout settings here. So I will click on the Astra settings here, and here in the content layout you have to select it as full width stretched. So let's click on here, and as you can see that the website is now looking good here. So here you can easily change any values. So if you want to change the text, just select the text here, and you can change the text from here. So let me just change it here like this, and here you can easily change the image according to your choice. Just click on the replace button here and select the media library, and you can easily change the image from here. So this is how easy to make a WordPress website using the Astra theme. So let me just update this page first. Now let's go back here. Now let's go to the dashboard, and let's check the theme customizer options with this theme. Now let's click on the Astra option here. This is how the Astra dashboard looks like, and here you can get different quick links like site identity, color, typography, and here you can get some pro features here. So let's click on the settings here, and here you can click on performance, and here you can load your Google font locally here, and you can preload local fonts here. Now let's click on the Spectra here. Now let's click on the blocks and extension here, and as you can see that these are the blocks that we get with the Spectra plugin, and these are some core blocks, and you can add some post blog like that. You can add some social blocks like social share, team, blog code, testimonials, and you can also add forms here. And here you can get FAQ, how to review, develop content blocks here with Spectra plugin. Overall, Astra is a lightweight theme and you can use the Spectra page builder to create a WordPress website like this, and you can easily change the text, you can change the color, you can change the images and create a professional WordPress website within minutes. And you can customize the theme by clicking on the customize button here. So this is how the Astra theme customizer looks like, and here you can see that here you will get different options like global, header builder, breadcrumbs, blog, page, sidebar, footer builder. So let's click on the global here, and here you can see the typography, color, container, button, scroll to top. So let's click on typography here, and here you can change the body font by clicking on the pencil icon here, and here you can choose the font family. So here you will get a lot of font options here, and here you can change the color of this theme, and here you can change the link color, heading color, body text, side background. You can change everything here, and here you can see the button settings here. Here you can customize everything regarding buttons, and you can also add a scroll to top button here. Just click on enable button here, and as you can see the scroll to top button is added, and here you can adjust the icon size here, and here you can also change the header builders here. So here you can add a buttons here, or you can change the site title here, or you can add the menu here. So let's go back here. Now let's click on block here, and here you can see block or archive pages or single post. So you can add different layouts like left sidebar, right sidebar. Here you can enable the related post section with this theme, and this is how the theme customizer. So it is very easy to use, and you can easily create a footer, header like this with Astra theme. So I hope you have got the idea how powerful the Astra theme is and how you can easily create a WordPress website using the Astra theme. So if you have any doubt regarding this theme, then you can ask me in the comment section, and if you want to use this theme, then you can use the link in the description, or you can directly install it from your WordPress dashboard. Now let me just check the page speed of this theme. So let me just copy the page link here, and let me just go to the page speed inside here, and let me just enter the URL, and let's analyze the page. And as you can see that the mobile score is quite impressive. I am getting 92 in mobile, and if I check the desktop score, it is showing like 95. And let's check the total page size here, and as you can see that the total page size is 700 KB, so which is quite good. So overall, Astra is a very lightweight theme, and you can easily use this theme just by searching the Astra in your WordPress dashboard, or you can directly download the Astra theme from wpastra.com. And you can also check the Pro features, and you can check the pricing of the Pro plan. So it starts with $47, and if you check the Essential bundle, it is around $137. And if you can also take the lifetime plan with just $227. So overall, Astra is a very good theme that you can consider, and if you found this video helpful, then make sure to hit the like button, and we will be covering more videos on Astra theme, so stay tuned for that. So make sure to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.